Hello everyone, today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Aha, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Aha is known for its focus on product management and road mapping. It offers products such as Product Overview, Aha Roadmaps, Aha Ideas, Aha Whiteboards, Aha Knowledge, Aha Develop, Aha Academy, integrations, AI Assistant, Product Success, and Product Concierge. In terms of pricing, Aha's product pricing includes Aha Roadmaps, starting at $59, Aha Ideas, starting at $39. Aha Whiteboards is priced at $9, while Aha Knowledge starts at $39, and Aha Develop starts at $9. Aha Academy also provides expert training and certification. In summary, both ClickUp and Aha offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your focus is on product management and strategic planning, and you need a tool specifically designed for that purpose, Aha could be the ideal solution for your needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.